If you've thought about becoming a game developer, you're in the right place. Developing games and knowing to create a good one requires the right skills and a lot of trial and error. We're going to talk about the skills you need to get started in the world of game development and help you lay out a pathway to succeed in this industry. Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Levitate channel. Today we will learn what skills are needed to become an indie game developer. For now, please subscribe to our channel, click the like button and hit the notification bell. Let's get started. Game design skills. Starting with the obvious, you must solidify your understanding of software design and programming to excel in video game design. You also need to have a knack for design in addition to coding. Game designers must be knowledgeable about character design, environment design, and user interface design because graphics and animation play a significant part in video games. You may make a colorful and lifelike game with realistic animation by having these aesthetic and technological skills, which will help it stand out in the crowded market. A good grasp of game designing skills will allow you to specify which avenue you want to choose in indie gaming. Your focus could be on better graphics, improved gameplay, or focus on having simple controls. Problem-solving skills. For a games developer, overcoming obstacles and fixing technical issues are only part of the job description. When confronting challenges or debugging code, you need grit and patience. Before you find a solution, you may spend days moping over an issue when trying to solve one. If you want to use your problem-solving abilities, you will also need to take a fresh look at a few things. Perhaps you wrote incorrect code, or your coworker needs to be more helpful. Many of the challenges you encounter will call for critical thinking. Dennis Hubley, video game development instructor at Eastern College, says, at its core, software development is problem-solving. Every day in this career, you will be presented with problems you've never solved, systems you've never used, and software you've never seen. The top traits someone can have come into this industry are adaptability, patience, and curiosity. Adaptable to constantly changing technologies and practices. Patience for solutions that take time and effort. Curiosity to continually learn the ever-changing software development landscape. Knowledge of math and physics. Math competencies like fundamental arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and physics are necessary for success in this field. You will need to be able to comprehend and use particular math concepts that are employed by the majority of games and game engines. Physics is also essential because games are now being developed as real-life simulations, which is why having a concept of time and space in our world is essential. If you have knowledge of these areas in real life, then applying them in your own game will be light work. Time management. These days, video games are intricate goods with many moving pieces. They frequently need many teams of artistic and technical experts that are in charge of putting various parts together. You will need to work under pressure, develop teamwork skills, and adhere to project deadlines to succeed in such an environment. Creativity culture. You need creativity to create beautiful virtual worlds and develop unique gaming ideas. Your innovation will distinguish your games from others in an oversaturated market with similarities. You must also have a thorough awareness of cultural preferences and tastes. A game is fundamentally a human activity and a cultural creation, even when played with computers or other people behind screens. An article from The Atlantic says, game designers need to grasp human psychology and culture. They must rapidly attract and hold players' attention and interest. Staying up to date on developments. You must enjoy playing games to build them. In addition to playing games, you should keep informed about your rivals and the gaming industry. The best concepts frequently borrow from already existing video game features. The more you take in, play, and dissect, the more you'll understand what makes a game resonate with its target audience. Patience. The most important life skill is this one. This is especially true when creating video games. The procedure is intricate and has many moving components that call for careful planning, designing, carrying out, testing, and debugging. The majority of video games take between 3 and 5 years to produce. Final thoughts. Best of luck on your journey to becoming a game developer. It won't be easy, but the skills mentioned above will become a guiding light for your journey. Thanks for watching.